Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, go into Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this app from this developer and select Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, choose Send on an Android and Receive on Samsung. Then tap on all of those dots and click Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take some time, so I will go with only one file, like this song. Choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here. And lastly, tap on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!